Hello everyone. Hello guys. It's Masunga John here and today I'm going for window shopping. Window shopping for my next new car. My car's chicane is over and today I want to do window shopping of what car should be my next one. All right, so yep, actually it's gonna be a new one, so it's gonna be a new car. Let's go check what car I'm going to buy, and please comment after watching this video and I'll buy the car with the most comments. All right, come with me.
I can take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make a change. I wanna play the game. You wanna